In this video, we'll show you how to download and install FreeMILL that is included with the LibreCam from Microsoft Corporation. As the name suggests, FreeMILL is a completely free milling module without usage restrictions. There is no cost, no time limit, no license, and no file output size, so you can use it as long as you like to program your CNC machine. Being free, it is also restricted to one very useful cut method. FreeMILL is also supported by over 300 CNC post-processors that are included with the system. If you are unfamiliar with FreeMILL, you may want to watch the FreeMILL demonstration video to understand its ease of use and machining application. There are three important facts that you need to understand before we go through the FreeMILL installation process. The first is that the Microsoft CAM products are built on a plug-in technology. This means that they require a host CAD system to operate. The second is that FreeMILL is just one of the modules included in the LibreCam plugin. The third is that FreeMILL is available as a plugin to 4 different host CAD systems, including Visual CAD, Rhinoceros, SolidWorks, and Alibre Design. The Alibre Design Host CAD system is a 3D modeling program offered by Alibre LLC. LibreCam, which includes FreeMILL, can be downloaded from Microsoft.com. So in this video, we will install FreeMILL for Alibre Design by installing LibreCam. So let's get started. To download and install FreeMILL for Alibre Design, first go to the Microsoft.com website. Select Download Free Demo from the home page. On this next page, please enter your name and other requested information. Under Product of Interest, select FreeMILL. Be sure you enter a valid email address where you can check your email to receive the download link. We want the additional information on this form so we can call you after the installation and see how it went and if you have any questions about the product. We will not provide your information to any third parties. When you pick the Submit button, Microsoft will automatically send you an email with a link to download a LibreCam, which includes FreeMILL. If you do not receive this email within a minute or so, check your spam inbox. The email link will take you to the Download Demo Products page. Next, you need to choose whether you want the 64-bit or the 32-bit version. This selection must match the system architecture of your computer. For this demonstration, we will select the 64-bit version. Next, we'll select the FreeMILL and LibreCam button. This will initiate the download. If your browser asks you if you want to run or save the download, choose to save it to your default download directory. Once the download is complete, go to your download directory and look for the LibreCam installer that was just created. Now you're ready to install the software. Make sure you have administrative privileges before installing the product. Double-click on the LibreCam installer file name. At this point, follow through the setup wizard to install LibreCam. Select the Finish button to complete the software installation. Now, when you run Alibre Design, the LibreCam plugin with FreeMILL will load automatically. This completes the tutorial for downloading and installing FreeMILL, included in LibreCam from Microsoft Corporation. For further assistance, you can visit the online help supplied with the program or visit www.microsoft.com for additional tutorials. Thank you.